Hi guys, another weekend, it's another vlog. It's August 22, Friday, and we are currently heading to the countryside. I need to go there because I need to bring all of the supplies that is needed. We need to have here some chicken feed, some groceries for the people in the farm. I'm with Louie right now. I would like to say thank you as well to my dear friends, my co-worker who dropped by during the fiesta, my cousin, for celebrating with us last week. I really appreciate your patience. It was really a great time. I had so much fun. And before the fiesta, I haven't posted any vlog because of the busy schedule, but this time I'm gonna make it. I hope I'm going to continue my vlog because of, you know, there's really a lot of things to do at work and it's consuming all of my time. But I would like to make another update every week as I drop by and visit to the countryside. So I'm just gonna take you with us as I go there. Let's see what we can cook in the countryside, okay? See you later.
Feito sonho, vagando numa noite fria. Você me aparece, mas é só uma fantasia. Toda manhã a sua sombra se vai. Lembranças de sorriso tiram minha paz. E nessa escuridão eu busco a luz, mas a cada dia a esperança se reduz. A timidez que me levou a essa paixão agora é só eco na minha ilusão. A saudade invade, não quer partir. No meu coração a dor começa.
So guys, since there is no rain, oh, Kobe is here already. Oh, I'm so excited. So there's no rain, we can get in here. The road is not muddy. I think so, it's not. Yeah, it's dry man. Dira lang kaagi. Oh, tunga ana. Tunga ba? Tunga ana. Kobe, maligsan ka. Ana. Kobe is so excited. Oh, he's so excited. So if it's no rain, we can get in here. We can park to inside to the actual property. But if it's raining, we cannot go here because it's so muddy. Jimmy is cleaning. Jimmy is cleaning the area. Guys, so excited. Kabang, kumusta kabang? How are you? Agay! Ouch! Mama is here, guys. My dogs are so excited. Kobe! Hi, mother. I bought some ice for the fish. I have bought some fishes and some feeds, and then the grocery is here. Jimmy, your father is here. How are you guys doing? Bread.
Nutriban.
Nutriban. So we have some grocery supplies. Okay, I'll see you later. They have harvested a kamote tops. Kamote tops? Ah, kamote di ay. Hello, kalu. Oy, wala mdi kagian yung bidali. Ang dagan dito, dagan. Dagan agay. Lakaw na.
Wah.
Bayan lang yung ay. Bayan lang yung
Wah. Oh. Ano muna, oh. Tara.
nagsugat, nag-atang na ko dito. Kani ba, nag-atang na dito? Kani? Kani? Bro, yung kakalo, no? Atang na dito. Kakalo. Wala nito kabaw pa.
Kang tupan.
Kung pukupan. Under the sea. Welcome back to the countryside, guys. It's been a while. She's eating bread. Papa is here. Pandawan. Fish. I forget. Oh, fish.
Nikon na isa dito.
Tubig.
Nangawat yung pa. Ano din dala, di ba? Order! Napukit naman sila.
Ano? Kung ano ni ditong mga ano mga card. Mga ano ni mga pala di ako malagkit ma.
Apa dia kuitil dito aja?
Gamay naman man.
Iso. Daghan. Tinaga na. Waong na dito.
Alit naman yung mga.
Lalaro mo dito.
Dala na ni mo tanan sa sakyanan mahal. Jimmy, nakot pasalubong sa iya ha. Jimmy! Ayan pasalubong.
Bulag na gud si Maya Mia ug si Sherwin.
Ha?
Bulag ni si Maya Mia.
Bulan ni kulata si Mario.
Kulatan ni.
Kulata ka ni Maoy.
Kulatan ni Kuan niya.
Ma, mantika ma. Ma, mantika.
O di anong utang kay
Layas siya. Sa ilang balay. Si Maya Mia ang layas pagihit.
layas niya.
Ari naman. Alcohol o haplas. Shampoo, sabon. Ilan ninyo ang ano? Baka?
Jelaskan. Ano berana? Tag naman ito na Delhi. Takang lang din. Ano eh?
Pagkapit po. Ay, ninit.
Alas 2 na gani. Hapit na alas 3 eh.
Louie is. Nagluto si Louie ang ano. Sino nagluto man?
Hindi ba mo eh?
Hmm?
Hindi lang.
Nagkilo ka? Jimmy! Dali, Jim! Mga lamas pa, oh.
Ikaw na kay piso. Paano pwede buyan pa? May magsabaw Bisaya guys. Sabaw sa guys. Uy, ayaw ko anak ko biyang iro. Ay, iro. Ang manok. Diri, dali, sulod diri. Kilaw si Louie Pandawan. Pandawan. Marito ko og lamas for the week. Mga lamas.
Dito ka. Ato dito. Dako, nga po di, nga mo gadi. Waro pa.
Kanya sa. Sabaw. Bas na na.
Tuwa.
Dugay nang walis la Alvin pa.
Alas 4.
Rabda man si mama.
Ha?
Rabda na si mama.
Oo. Diyan, nag-inom pa man dito.
Kabalong nagkuhan pa si Idi. Mananggot, wala nga og baktas, bakurang isa.
Nag-inom sila ni Alma. Gisa may kauban mo.
Baka balik. Baka rin
Kabaw na eh. Baka kabaw.
Baka kabaw. Baka.
Matulog ko ron eh. Di kan ko work. Matulog sa ko.
Tutulog
Before
ko?
morning.
Dahil ang electric fan dito. Katulog ka.
Saan ako pagtulog nang inom kong kape? So guys, let's visit the guest hut here. Jimmy has been cleaning the area. Let's check out. Papa made a temporary waiting shed for us to like chill here. It's just temporary for now because the plan is to buy a nipa for the roof. I think I'm gonna do that next week. You know what? Weather is really unpredictable here in the countryside. Earlier it was so sunny and suddenly there is a drizzling already. Started to drizzle. So Loie drove the vehicle outside so that we will not be stuck later on if it's rain. So he transferred the vehicle outside. These are the flowers that Jimmy planted a few weeks back. They started to bloom. It's very nice. And look at the surrounding here in the guest hut. It's already clean because of the hard work of Jimmy boy. Hi, Jim. Jim. Diya ka magtanom? So they're cleaning here because they later, I think next week they will plant a corn in this area. See? It's drizzling already. So unpredictable. Because we're on the top of the mountain. And it's so isolated, like we only have one neighbor here. Neighbor is located in the other mountain. What's that? Kinilaw? Kinilaw ko. Kinilaw ko. Louie is eating kinilaw with rice. Papa is cooking a soup we will eat later. You know, last week during the fiesta we hang out there with my TL, Eva, Marjorie, Giselle. It was fun. We had food there. This area is where they planted the corn the other month, I think 3 months ago, and the plan is to put and plant another corn here. Spicy. So it started to rain now. The soup later on will be perfect for the cold weather. This is life here in the countryside, guys. Away from the toxic environment in the city, away from the hustle and bustle, away from the busy life in the city. Life here is so laid back. You can hear mostly nature, birds, humming of the birds, barking dogs. I kind of like it here. This is my escape. And I'm so thankful that Mama and Papa and Jimmy has been taking care of this area, because if they're not here, it will be so dirty because of the grasses. But they've been maintaining it, so I'm so thankful. A big shout out to my valued subscriber, our family friend Sir Roy from Bahrain, for the guest hut. We've been taking care of this guest hut ever since it was built. Thank you so much for your trust. Ito na sa bowl, guys. Let's eat. This is beef soup. Beef soup, guys. For the cold weather. Let's eat. Mga onata, guys. Alright, after this one, we will go home in Panabo City because I still have work. So maybe I will return here by Sunday. Also eating. Check out our plate. It's so classic. Pangbukid jud kay.
Napay ko ano, salad. Salad.
That's it. So guys, we are going home now. It's already 6:30. And it's getting dark already. I'm wearing my boots. I'm with Louis and Jimmy at the back. So this is the struggle here in the countryside. If it's raining, we cannot park nearby the house. We have to walk. So muddy. We're having our umbrella. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, see you. Thank you for watching. Bye.